surrender, and then I met you, Jesus. Thought I knew what surrender looked like. I thought I knew what a yes sounded like. Then I met you, God, and I saw you, Jesus. I saw you, yes. I say yes. Yes, yes. I saw your yes. You gave only a yes, but you said yes. So I say yes. My life's posture is surrender. You're gonna get a yes out of me soon.